Hello, welcome to today's class. This is third class of our factoring of quadratic expressions. Today's class is so wow because you are looking at this beautiful aspect of it, difference of two squares. Now, what do we mean by difference of two squares and when do we apply that? I'm teaching you that already. Remember we said earlier that quadratic expressions are of this form. That's the standard form. Now, provided A is not equal to 0. When you have these three shown in a particular question, such is what we call trinomial. You know, tri means three. So you see the three terms, this, and this are shown. There are cases where you have only two. It can be the first and the second term. It can also be the first term and the last term. These are what we call binomial, okay? Because they are two. Now, carefully look at this. You see that these questions are of this form. Having noted that, what do we mean by difference of two squares? Looking at the wording, two squares. Let's look at it this way. Two squares, you have the first one squared. You have another word squared. Did you see we have two terms squared? Difference means subtraction. So you bring down the subtraction. You see, when you have an expression of this form, you have to remember this is the same as A minus B. That is difference of two squares. Did you see? So this is that difference of two squares. So each time you have an expression of this form, you can apply this rule. Now we're going to use this rule to simplify or to factorize these questions. And to do that, we take the first one to have. So for the first one, we have x squared minus 49. Looking at what we stated, it must be two squares, but what you have here, this one is squared, this is 49. But don't worry, 49 is a perfect square. So it means 49 is the same as 7 times 7, which is 7 squared. So you can rewrite 49 in e square form. In that case, you are going to have x squared minus 7 squared. Did you see? It has now come to this form. So you can apply this. Did you see that? So this is our A and this is B. So applying difference of two squares is going to give us x plus 7 and x minus 7. This is your answer. Please don't put equal sign to solve completely because this is an expression. Now solving the second one we have. So for the second one, we have 2y squared minus 50. This is somehow tricky because you see that this is a squared, but what we have here is 2y squared. So there's a number before the y squared, but there is none in the formula. But don't worry. What you know is that 2 can divide these two values, okay? So let's factor 2 out to see if we can then apply this formula. So to do that, we are going to have bring 2 out, use 2 to divide 2y squared, it gives you y squared. 2 divides negative 50 gives you negative 25. Can you still apply it? Yes. 25, you know, is 5 times 5, which is 5 squared. So it means we are going to have 2 into y squared. This is the same as 5 squared. Interesting. So at this point, you can now apply this formula. So to give us 2 into, this is A, this is B. So we have y plus 5 into y minus 5. And this gives us the answer. I will leave this third one with you. Let's discuss your answer in the comments. If this helps you, don't forget to like, share. See you in our next class. Bye-bye.